Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. Today, I'm in Amityville, Long Island. Let's go thrifting. Amityville is a cute village on Long Island's South Shore. It has beautiful Victorian-style homes and the Church Attic Thrift Shop, which is one of my favorite places to shop. As soon as I walked inside, I spotted these fabulous throw pillows, but then I quickly remembered I don't have a lot of space for inventory, so I left them behind. Over in housewares, I thought these bowls with a matching plate were cute, but after seeing the comps, I was not impressed. When I saw this Belmont Stakes plate, I sent a picture to a friend who collects horse racing memorabilia. She said it might be worth about $10 to a collector, which is exactly what it was priced. The kitchen is filled with servingware, mugs, small appliances, and lots of cookbooks. I took a quick look downstairs in the men's department. There was actually that black coat right there that was interesting, but nothing else really caught my eye. There's also some sporting goods, including golf clubs down here, but I don't know enough about them to sell them. I just got back from Amityville and I picked up 2 items at the thrift shop. The good thing was it was half price day, so that made me very happy. The first thing I ran into when I walked in was this really cute teacup. Someone needs to start telling me,
step away from the teacups.
Just like I've stepped away from the mugs, because it's not good. This one is a Royal Staffordshire, or Crown Staffordshire, I should say. And when I did a quick Google search while I was standing there, it looked like they were in the $50 range. This was $8. It was half off, so it was only $4. On further investigation though, I think it's only like maybe worth about $20 to $25. So that was a bummer. So in the pillow area, buried underneath there, I found this. Now, you might be like, okay, Allison, it's just a striped pillow, big deal. But I opened it up, and there you go. A nice Ralph Lauren pillow with a waterfowl feather insert. This is a really good find. It was marked $20 and I got it for $10. It's a size 20 by 20. It's in perfect condition. So I think I can do pretty well with this one. I'll throw some comps up, but there's not a lot of these. This is called a Mesa stripe pillow. It's cotton washable outside and I love it. I mean, I really wish I could keep this, but I don't have any place for it right now. So I hope someone likes it and wants to buy it. Sold comps were kind of all over the place, with just the pillow covers selling between $30 and $80. Active listings were showing the pillow cover for $40 or with an insert at $110 for the 20 by 20. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.